Hi, I am Yogesh Gupte. Today, technical point is what is clinical research? Now, clinical research is a branch of healthcare science that determines the safety and effectiveness of medications, devices, diagnostic products, and treatment regimens intended for human use. This may be used for prevention, treatment, diagnosis, or for relieving symptoms of a disease. Here, component and phases of clinical research. Study design, observational studies. Researchers observe the effects of a risk factor, diagnostic test, treatment, or other intervention without trying to change who is or isn't exposed to it. Interventional studies, clinical trial. Researchers assign participants to receive specific intervention according to the research plan or protocol created by the investigators. Now, phases of clinical trial. Different phases of clinical trial: phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, post marketing surveillance, phase 4. Now, phase 1, test a new biomedical intervention is a small group of people, 20 to 80, for the first time to evaluate safety, determine safe dosage ranges, and identify side effects. Phase 2, the biomedical intervention is given to a larger group of people, 100 to 300, to see if it is effective and to further evaluate its safety. Now, phase 3, the biomedical intervention is given to large group of people, 1000 to 3000, to confirm its effectiveness, monitor side effects, compare it to commonly used treatments, and collect information that will allow the biomedical intervention to be used safely. Phase 4, studies are done after the intervention has been marketed to gather information on the intervention's effects in various populations and any side effects associated with long-term use. Ethics and regulation. Ethical considerations are paramount in clinical research. Informed consent, privacy protection, and minimizing risk to participants are essential. Regulatory bodies like the FDA, United States Food and Drug Administration; in the USA, EMA, European Medicine Agency; in Europe, and other globally oversee clinical trials to ensure safety and efficacy. Clinical research personnel. Principal investigator, the person responsible for the conduct of the clinical trial at a trial site. Study coordinator, manage the day-to-day operations of the trial. Data manager, ensure the quality and integrity of the data collected during the trial. Regulatory affairs specialist, ensure that the study complies with all regulatory requirements. Data collection and management. Data from clinical trial are meticulously collected, monitored, and analyzed to ensure the validity and reliability of the results. This often involves sophisticated data management system and statistical analysis. Institutional Review Board. An IRB is a committee that reviews and approves the research involving human subjects. Its primary purpose is to protect the right and welfare of the research participants, patient recruitment and retention, recruiting the right participants and retaining them throughout the study is critical is obtained involves throughout inclusion and exclusion criteria and strategies to engage and motivate participants. Outcomes and reporting. Clinical research results are usually published in peer-reviewed journals, presented at a scientific conference, and submitted to regulatory bodies for reviewing and potential approval for public use. Clinical research is essential for advancing medical knowledge and improving patient care. It requires a multidisciplinary approach and adherence to rigorous ethical and scientific standards. Thank you.